The authorities who are investigating the killings of the two teenagers, Liberty German and Abigail Williams from Indiana, have searched the property and home of the man who owns the remote tract of land where the bodies of the girls were found. The Carroll County Sheriff stressed that the 77-year-old landowner Roland Logan isn't considered a suspect in the killings of the girls. The girls' bodies were found on February 14th on the edge of Logan's property a day after they vanished while hiking. Mr. Logan's attorney said in a statement Friday that Logan maintains his innocence and that he wasn't involved in the killings. Besides, it was stated that Mr. Logan wants anyone with information in the girl's death to give their knowledge to the police. The attorney said Mr. Logan had no involvement in the heinous crime. Sheriff Leesenby declined to give any information about what the authorities were looking for during the search of Logan's home in Delphi. Logan has been jailed since last week on an unrelated probation violation. The authorities would like the public to avoid jumping to conclusions before law enforcement has completed the ongoing investigation. State Police Sergeant Kim Riley said investigators obtained the search warrant as part of their work pursuing information they received in the case, which has yielded more than 13,000 tips from the public and a reward of more than $230,000 for information leading to an arrest or arrests in the murders of the two teens. It was said that tips, the investigative work by the state police and the FBI have led to more than 300 people being questioned in the killings. Till now, about 200 people have been cleared, but the police continue checking alibis of about 100 other people. The area of Logan's 40-acre property had previously been searched. The bodies of Abby and Libby were found in rough wooden terrain about 50 feet from a stream and about half a mile from an old railroad bridge which the girl had visited while they were hiking. Logan has owned the property for 53 years, and last month he told RTV6 that finding the bodies of the girls on his land was still something he was coming to terms with. Having something like this in your own house, your own home, I just can't get my mind around it yet. It's really difficult. I can't comprehend it, Logan said. He continued telling when he heard the two girls were missing, he never thought the worst. He said he thought they got into a car and got with someone else like teenagers do. From them to get from there to here with the rough territory they had to walk, you couldn't carry them in a million years, or drag them, nor drop them off. State Police Sergeant Kim Riley said Logan is one of 13 people who has been arrested to date on matters unrelated to the killings. Logan was arrested on March 11th for a probation violation related to a drunk driving conviction, a 2014 case in which he received probation and a 2-year suspended sentence. Logan remained jailed without bond Friday at the Carroll County Jail, pending a court hearing in the probation case. Don't miss out on any crime news. Become a member of our community on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to slap that follow button and click the bell. Then you will be updated when we have news for you.